Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mos, and today is got no challenge. It's not going to be a challenge today. I'm just going to be showing you how to cook some pasta. I hope you guys enjoy it. Share it, like it, subscribe, and let's get it.
A few moments later.
Right guys, I did make a mess. I thought it was recording. I pressed the record button and it didn't record, so here we go again. What I've done is, this is boiling water, it's getting prepared. Here I've got my chopped chicken breasts. I have marinated it, and before I heat it up, I've marinated it with salt, pepper, saffron, and some oil I put in there. I'm going to leave that to cook for now. I'll put the lid back on. Let that get done. Once it's done, I will show you the next step, what we're going to do.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, and we're back. Have a look at this. You can see the chicken is getting done, is basically cooked. Now what we're going to do right now is add the mushrooms. However, I did want to get some brown mushrooms, but there was only white mushrooms. You can see that there. There you are. Have it nice and chopped or diced, however you want to pronounce it. Just get it all in there. And let it just cook, basically. Any more? Get it all in there, mix it up, make it soft. Get those also marinated with the sauce and all the juice and everything else. And then, what we need to do, our water is still getting boiled, by the way, it's not done yet. What I'm going to do is add the pesto sauce. I'm not going to show you which brand it is, but the smell of that is beautiful. Oh, wow. Right, let me get that all in there. Use a bit of spoon to dig it out. Don't want any of this bad boy to go to waste. It tastes beautiful. Right, where's the next one? Oh, so nice. I'm getting 2 of these in there. I mean, on the package, it does say 1 of these is enough for 4 people, but I like the taste of this so much that I like to go a bit extra. And there we are. Okay. Just give this a little mix as well. Oh. Guys, only if you could smell that smells so beautiful. Now, for the last bit before I leave it to do its thing, I'm going to add some cream. Right. Just get your regular double cream from any of your stores. See that colour changing there? That's beautiful. I don't know if it shows justice on the camera or not, but that, my friends, looks beautiful. And the other one, everything I get it in 2s. And the second one. Oh, look at that. Voila. And now, give it the final stir. Let it all mix in. Let that cook for a little while, maybe 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes I would say probably. And then we're going to be starting on with the pasta, boiling it. Right. Let that cook for 10 minutes. We're going to leave it and then we're going to come back and add the cheese in there. Right. See you guys soon.
A few moments later.
And we're back again. So I figured our water is boiling enough. While this is getting cooked for another 10 minutes, I'm going to put the pasta in there. And we've got to give that 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes for that to cook as well. Get it all in there. There you go. Okay. And now, what I'm going to do, give this a little stir. This has got all the sauces and juice from that. Mix it all up in there. Not a problem at all. I actually like it, it's good. It all mixes well. Now what I'm going to do is let these all boil for another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. These need to get softened up. It will take maybe 15 minutes, but that 10 minutes and then I'm going to be adding the cheese. Oh, you guys have no idea what it smells like. I will see you guys in about 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, as you can see our pasta is boiling up. It's almost getting ready. I think another 5 minutes, 4 minutes should do it. It's boiling up nicely. It's getting softened and getting cooked. And as for our pasta, what I'm going to do is give it a nice little stir. Just make sure everything's mixing well. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the cheese. This is just some regular Parmesan cheese that you can get from your stores. Get it all in there. Now guys, if you're worried about calories, oops, there we go. If you're worried about calories, then this isn't the video for you, because this is, no joke, full of fat, but it tastes delicious. Right, I'm gonna mix this up nicely, and then not only that, I'm also gonna add the second pack onto it as well. So we are not done just yet. Second pack here. Get it all in there. Actually, I'll keep a little bit for later. We're going to need that in a bit. Alright, mix this up as well. This is going to be so creamy, guys. Tell me, comment below what you guys think and what it tastes like. Does it look good? Do you guys like the color? Does it look nice? Is it making you guys hungry? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Right, I'm gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna put the lid back on this one and give this one a quick stir so it doesn't stick together, hopefully. And I think another minute of this, we should be good to go. Then I'm going to drain this one, get all the water out so it's just left with the pasta. And then we shall begin to do the rest of the work. So, see you guys in about a minute.
A few moments later.
Right guys, this is almost ready. What I'm going to do now is drain it. So I'll be needing one of these so I don't get burnt. and then tilt it that way, and we are off to drain. Just be careful, guys, this is very hot water. You don't want to get burnt with hot water, and most importantly, a lot of people don't realize the actual steam can actually really burn you, so you need to be very careful. I don't advise this to be done by anyone that's under the age of 18 or accompanied with an adult. Please be careful. This is heat. It is no joke. You must take care. Right. Got that last bit of water out as well. Just going to turn the heat down for a little bit. Right, and there we are. That's our cooked pasta. It is ready. Now what I'm going to do is put our pasta or sauce, marinated chicken, into the pasta, mix it all up. This is the fun part. Let me get my spoon. Wish me luck, guys, this is kind of heavy. Woo. And it got a bit stuck as well last time. Oh yeah, you can see it. The cheese is melted at the bottom and it's kind of got stuck to the base for the pan fry. So let's give it a go. We're going to tip it all in there. Yeah, that worked well. Get a little bit in there, and now you need to stir it. Get it all mixed, get all the juices, everything there. And turn it down a little bit. Okay, and we are almost there. There you are. Now, I'm just going to let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, not long, and then I'll be serving. Thank you.
One eternity later.
Okay, hey guys, here we are. This is our ready-made pasta meal. Bon appetit. Enjoy, guys. Hope you like this one. You guys may try it yourself, see how you can cook it. You guys can add other stuff that you like, take away stuff you don't like. Try it out, give it a go, see what you guys do with your type of cooking with the pasta. Enjoy. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.